The cosmic event that shook our understanding of time. What if I told you that in 2017, astronomers witnessed an event so powerful it literally rippled through space-time and changed our understanding of the universe forever? This is the story of how colliding neutron stars revolutionized astronomy. Let's dive in. Hey, space explorers! Welcome back to D3 Discover Deep Dreams, and today we're exploring one of the most significant cosmic events in modern astronomy, the detection of gravitational waves and light from colliding neutron stars. If you love groundbreaking science, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's get started. On August 17, 2017, scientists detected something extraordinary: gravitational waves from two neutron stars colliding 130 million light-years away. But this wasn't just any gravitational wave detection. For the first time ever, telescopes around the world also captured light from the same event. This collision, designated GW170817, marked the beginning of multi-messenger astronomy, where we observe cosmic events using both gravitational waves and electromagnetic radiation. It's like suddenly being able to both hear and see a distant explosion instead of just hearing it. The LIGO and Virgo gravitational wave detectors picked up the ripples in space-time as the neutron stars spiraled toward each other. Just 1.7 seconds later, the Fermi gamma-ray space telescope detected a burst of gamma rays. Within hours, telescopes across every wavelength, from radio to X-rays, were pointing at the source. What they saw was a kilonova, an explosion that creates heavy elements like gold and platinum. We literally watched the universe forge precious metals. This single event answered questions astronomers had been asking for decades and opened entirely new mysteries. First, it confirmed that short gamma-ray bursts come from neutron star collisions. Scientists had theorized this for years, but GW170817 provided the proof. Second, it revealed where heavy elements come from. For decades, we knew supernovas created elements up to iron. But where did gold, platinum, and uranium come from? This collision showed us neutron-star mergers scatter heavy elements across the universe. The gold in your jewelry, it probably came from an event like this billions of years ago. Third, it gave us a new way to measure the expansion of the universe. By comparing the gravitational wave signal with the light from the event, scientists could calculate the Hubble constant, the rate at which the universe is expanding, using a completely independent method. And fourth, it tested Einstein's general relativity in extreme conditions. The fact that gravitational waves and light arrived within seconds of each other after traveling 130 million years proves that gravitational waves travel at the speed of light, just as Einstein predicted. GW170817 didn't just answer questions, it revolutionized how we do astronomy. Before this event, we observed the universe primarily through light. Gravitational wave astronomy was brand new, and with only black hole mergers detected, but now we have multi-messenger astronomy, combining gravitational waves, light, neutrinos, and cosmic rays to get a complete picture of cosmic events. This approach is like upgrading from a black and white silent film to full color with surround sound. We're not just seeing the universe anymore, we're experiencing it in multiple dimensions. The event also sparked an unprecedented global collaboration. Within 24 hours of detection, over 70 observatories around the world and in space were studying this single event. Scientists from different fields, gravitational wave physics, gamma-ray astronomy, optical astronomy, nuclear physics, all came together. This is the future of astronomy: global, collaborative, and multi-wavelength. Since GW170817, we've detected more neutron star collisions, and advanced gravitational wave detectors are coming online that will see even farther into the universe. Future detectors like the Einstein telescope and Cosmic Explorer will detect thousands of these events, giving us an unprecedented view of the universe's most violent phenomena. We'll map the cosmic history of heavy element creation and watch the universe evolve in real time. Every collision teaches us something new about nuclear physics, general relativity, and the fundamental nature of matter itself. The collision of two neutron stars in 2017 changed astronomy forever. It proved that the universe is stranger, more violent, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. And it showed us that when we listen to the universe in new ways, it reveals secrets we never knew existed. What do you think is the most amazing thing we learned from this event? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this cosmic revelation, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to D3 Discover Deep Dreams, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, space explorers, keep looking up.